Blackjack PT is a Python 3 program that utilizes OpenCV and Pygame. It uses OpenCV to read physical cards, then utilizes Pygame to digitally display those cards onto the Pi screen. After the initial dealing of the cards, the GPIO light will light up blue to display that the first cards have been dealt. Our project has two digital buttons. The green one resets the current game, and the red one will stand, which will switch the turn to the dealer. The way we decide who gets cards when dealing is based on whether it's the player's turn or the dealer's. After the dealer reaches 17 points in card values or the dealer or player busts, the game is decided and the status of the game, whether it is a win, loss, or tie, is displayed in the top left. We will now demonstrate how games play out. First, we will show what happens when the player wins. As you can see, after the initial dealing of the cards, the blue light lights up. The player will now stand, and it switches to the dealer's turn. As you can see, the lights lit up in accordance to a win, and then the card was shown on screen. And now the status in the top left is updated to say win. We will now hit the green button to reset the game. Now we will show what happens when the player loses. The blue light has lit up once again to display that the three cards have been dealt. The player is now going to stand, and the red light lights up to display that it is a bust, and the dealer has won. We will now hit the green button once again to reset. We are now going to demonstrate what happens with a tie. Once again, the blue light has lit up to display that the three cards have been dealt. Now the player is going to stand. And the yellow light will appear to show that it is a push or a tie.